We did number 1 and 2 in class. Or this 2. This other 2, I think we did in class also. 3, this 3 here, we did not. Some class I did and some class I did not. So, if I did not, this is, by the way, 7.4 transition with reflection day 1. Okay, I start on this side first. Some say, oh, this is parentheses. Shouldn't we do that first? If you want to, you can. But this has 3 terms, so it has more numbers. So I'm going to do that first. It's just, it doesn't matter which side you start. It's just, either side doesn't matter. You combine this and this together, so because they both have x, 14 plus negative 9 is 5. X plus a negative 10. Okay, you can't do anything else. You can work on, that's problem 1, simplifying that expression. And then the other 2 side is problem 2. We simplify you but using distributive property. That's 5x plus a negative 25. Okay, so then you, because the variables on both sides, you have to make that equal to 0 first. It's easier for most of you if you do. Minus 5x. 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. 0 plus negative 25 is negative 25, and they do not equal, therefore it's no solution. Okay. We did these in class. I think we did these one in class also. And I said that most students finish this in class, I think. Reflect point B across the x-axis. Okay. Here's the x-axis right here. Here's the letter X. So put a mirror there. You'll 1, 2, 3 away from the mirror. So you count 1, 2, 3 away from the mirror. There's the reflection of you on this other side. It's B prime. Okay, so you're just counting. Okay, so I want all the coordinates. So notice it's 1, negative 3. This is 1, positive 3. Okay, reflects P over the Y. This is the Y-axis, so put a mirror there. Reflected over there, that means it's 1, 2, 3, 4 way. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4 way. We use a mirror today in class for you guys to see it. So it's P prime there. And then write the ordered pair. That's negative 4, negative 5. And that's 4, negative 5 for P prime, the image. Okay, reflect point M across the x-axis. So here's the x. Put a mirror on the x-axis, which is right here. We count. This easiest way without a mirror is to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So M prime is its image. Well, we want the ordered pair. Remember this one, I want the coordinates to all of them. So that's 6, 5. That one, 6, negative 5. Okay, this is easy for a lot of kids. Reflect this over the y-axis. Here's the mirror right here. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. So you count the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. That's the P. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from the mirror. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away. And prime for the image. And then you need to draw them. I tell it in class, Nancy and Peter holds a line, so their reflection shows them holding a line. Okay? And then I said to not worry about the coordinates for these. Okay, so here is 3, -2. Here is 5, -2. Reflect the line over the x-axis. So here's the x-axis. Okay, let's start with T. Thomas. 1, 2 away, so 1, 2 away. There's T, and then erase your line. That's the image right there. 1, 2 away, 1, 2 away for Hector. H prime. Tomas and Hector are holding a line right there. Okay? Reflect over the x-axis. Here's the x-axis. Oh, here's Paul. Paul is on top of the mirror, so his reflection will be on top of the mirror also. Let's put that. Okay. Now N is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the mirror, so you have to count 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. That's N prime, and then draw the line there. There you go. On the back is the same thing again. Draw your mirror on the x-axis right here. Okay, so I'm going to do this one last one. So B is 1 away, so its reflection is B 1 away. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 away, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 away right there, and that's A prime. And then we draw this string attached. Okay, and this is over the y-axis, so here's your y-axis. Reflected H is 1 over H prime, and then finish the rest. Okay, over the y right here. So okay, now this one I did in some classes, and I may not have done in others, but I did tell the class that this was a typo. That's a K. Okay, distribute, we did this in class, I think, for most classes. If not, distribute's another word for multiply. Distribute, kind of. So you do 1 over 4, 1 divided by 4 times 4. So you use a calculator. I don't know why this says, oh, here we go. That's a tiny calculator. Okay. So you do 1 over 4, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4 times 4. 4 equals 1. So see how, I don't know how to, this, I'll move the cursor. See right here? Right there? No. Right here? Oh, anyways. What in the world? What's that? Oh, that calculator is connected to internet. That's 1K. Now you do the same with, great. What a waste of time. 1 over 4 times 8 right over here. 1 over 4. Clear it. No thanks. Oh my god, this is evil. Anyways, you know how to use a calculator, I hope. That gets you 2 plus 7K. Now these two are alike. You add them together, you get 8K plus 2. 10K. Now you need to make one of these equal to 0. The one that's like this one gets a, so you minus 8K minus 8K. That's 0 plus 2 is 2 equals to 2K. Divide by 2, divide by 2. K is equal to 1, so this is one solution. Okay? And this one here, you do these two, this expression, there's nothing you can do. This expression here, there is. You can combine the 9 with the 1x. 9 plus 1x is 10x. Additive inverse plus a negative 4. Can't do anything here. 10x plus a negative additive inverse. Okay? And then you minus 10x minus 10x. 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. This is no solution because they don't equal. Okay? Right here you do additive inverse plus a negative. There's two sides. This expression right here is much more difficult than that. So we're going to start with this expression. And in this expression here, right here, you do distributive property first. 6v plus a negative 12 plus 10. Combine these, you get a negative 2. 6v plus a negative 2. Okay, additive inverse plus a negative. 6v plus a negative 2. Okay, minus 6v minus 6v. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. They don't they do equal. Infinite solution. Okay? Okay. So this one, in some class I did this problem, in some class I did not. You make 0 first, you minus 4, minus 4. 0 plus 3k is 3/8 over k equals to 1. And then you have to get rid of this 8. So this is divide by 8, so you multiply 8, multiply 8. Cancel that, because 1 cancels out. You know, 1 and 1 times 3 is 3. So you get 3k equals to 8. Then you divide last, you divide by 3. K equals to 2.6 repeating. Use a calculator or leave it 8 over 3. Okay, and then there's the rest right here. Both sides, you cannot simplify the expression on both sides, so you have to make it equal to 0. To the variable first, get rid of the smaller of the two, minus 1x. 0 plus a negative 20 is a negative 20. That's 5x minus plus a negative 10, because plus a negative. Add 10, get negative 10 equals to 5x. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals to negative 2. One solution. And you can do the last one on your own. Do additive inverse first. Combine these two because they're alike. Then make zeros. Make sure you do additive inverse though. Okay, that should help. Basically, if you didn't finish anything, it's